Hello and welcome to a video that I want to shoot and share with you about how to set up your lab station. Number one, before we get into this, you see I'm fully dressed. I have my apron on, I have my hat on, and I also have taken my side towel, folded it and slid it behind my back. That way it's out of sight, out of mind. I'm not touching it. I can then get to it very easily and get to a hot pan or whatever I need to. Step two, obviously we have a hand sink, so you're going to want to wash your hands before you do this. But you'll need your sanitation bucket with your rag. Up underneath the shelf is a good spot to place that. Don't leave it sitting out here on the counter. That way it doesn't spill over and get all over your food and all of your product and books or whatever you have in here. Secondly, you're going to need a wet towel. Your cutting board will go on top of the towel, and that way it's going to keep it from slipping and sliding. And then you'll also have a green bucket. I recommend putting your green bucket right here, because this is going to actually be good for all your composting of scraps. No fats like butters, no chicken pieces, but if it's a vegetable scrap, eggshells, they go in there. And then in the walk-in cooler, we have a big bucket back there, and we'll put all that in, and then it'll get sent over to the Jefferson campus and actually turned into compost. Your knife kits will also go underneath the stations with the sanitation bucket on one side, knife kits on the other. You'll have your refrigerator and freezer in front of you, and I'll show you real quick where we need to place these. On this shelf right here, I personally would put my sanitation bucket right there. You can put a bus tub, or I would recommend putting a bus tub next to it. So like when you're working over on your eyes here or whatever, and you get something that you've used this or whatever and it's dirty, you can throw it in that bus tub down below you, and then you can take that, pretend there's a bus tub there, then you can take that bus tub back to the dish room and wash it. That's going to be a really good system to kind of keep things going. And then on this other side here, that's where I would leave my knife kits. Only get out what you need for this particular lab, and then you can always go back and grab other things. So that's just a real quick walkthrough of your station. And again, this is actually going to be, we'll do it in the right way, sorry. It's going to be sitting over here for you to use. So hopefully this will help you with setting up your station. If you have any questions, any problems, just let me know.